I'm on Brookley Road here in Jamaica Plain, and I have another great condominium that was recently built to show you right now. This is 104 Brookley Road. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and today I'm going to show you this wonderful condo that was built in 2020. It's on the first floor of a 3-unit building, has parking, 2 bedrooms, a beautiful bathroom, and I can't wait to show you the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is well appointed with beautiful granite countertops, Jenn-Air stainless steel appliances, gas cooking, and cabinetry that goes straight to the ceiling. This unit also offers this great back porch and access to the side yard. As you can see, this newer construction home has tall ceilings. It has in-unit laundry, air conditioning, and a lot of other amenities, including that parking in the back. I'm John Lynch with Dwell360 Real Estate, and thank you very much for taking a look at 104 Brookley Road here in Jamaica Plain. If you have any questions about this home or any other home on the market, feel free to contact me.